Hi, this is a quick 3-minute video on this.
Okay, this is the second video in the series where we're looking at transforming graphs. This is a very quick overview. Please do download the worksheet from 3minutemaths.co.uk and that'll give you lots of practice. Okay, so the graph of the function of x is shown below. The coordinates of the maximum point of the curve are minus 1, 5, which is basically this point at the very top there. Then it says write down the maximum points of the curve with the equation of y equals function of x take away 2. Well, in this particular case what we've done is we've moved everything towards the right hand side 2 jumps. So if I can show that on the screen, it's going to move along like that, so it becomes there at that point. So therefore the maximum point of this particular curve now is going to be 1, 5. Okay, positive 1, 5. Okay, let's have a look then at the function of x plus 4. If we go back to our graph again, well, in this particular case now we're going to move in the opposite direction. Okay, so that's going to mean then that if I move the maximum point back 4 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to go to here. So the coordinate of that particular point is going to be minus 5. Okay, the function of negative values of x, well, in that particular case that's going to be actually exactly the same as our first one. It's a reflection in the y-axis, so this particular, it's going to be difficult to draw on the screen, but this particular curve is going to be reflected something like that, so therefore the maximum point of that is going to be again 1, 5. Okay, part D is y equals function of x minus 3. So in this particular case what we're doing is we're moving everything down 3 places. So at the moment we're looking at the point minus 1, 5 as being the maximum point, but we're now going to move it down 1, 2, 3 places, so it's going to move to there, which is going to be a value of minus 1, 2. Okay, and then finally we've got y equals a negative function of x. Well, that's actually what we're doing is we are reflecting that in the x-axis, so therefore, although it's going to be a little bit tricky to draw on the screen, it's going to look something like that, and then it's going to carry on. Okay, but however the minimum point of the new graph is going to be minus 1, minus 5, and that would be the answer to the final part of this question. So hopefully it's been useful to you.
Okay, so I hope the video was useful. Please do add a comment below if you're not sure about anything. I'll always come back to you. Subscribe to the channel. I'll look forward to seeing you inside the next video.